Welcome to today's class of Mathematics of Chapter 12, that is Ratio and Proportion. Here, let us start the chapter by learning about ratio. For comparing quantities of same type, we commonly use the method of taking difference between the quantities. But in many situations, a more meaningful comparison between quantities is made by using division. That is, by saying how many times one quantity is to the other quantity, and this method is known as comparison by ratio. We denote ratio using the colon sign. Here, let us take an example to understand more about ratio. Suppose if Isha's weight is 25 kg and her father's weight is 75 kg, then we say that the ratio of father's weight to Isha's weight is equals to 75 upon 25, that is equals to 3 upon 1, which would be equals to 3:1. Also, we must keep in mind that two quantities can be compared only if they are in same units, and if they are not, then they should be expressed in the same unit before the ratio is taken. Here, to understand this, let us take an help of the example. Find ratio of 90 centimeters to 1.5 meters. Well, the two quantities here are not in same units. Therefore, we will first have to convert them into same units. Now, as we know 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters, we can say that 1.5 meter would be equals to 150 centimeter. Now, both the units or both the quantities that we got are in same units. Therefore, we can say that the required ratio is equals to 90:150, which would be equals to 90 upon 150, that is 3 upon 5, which would be equals to 3:5. Hence, the required ratio is 3:5. Next, we shall also learn about equivalent ratios. Well, we get equivalent ratios by multiplying or dividing the numerator and denominator by the same number. Here, we shall also learn about proportion. If two ratios are equal, we say that they are in proportion and use the given symbols to equate the two ratios. In a statement of proportion, the four quantities involved when taken in order are known as respective terms. Here, first and fourth terms are known as extreme terms, while second and third terms are known as middle terms. Here, let us take the following example to understand proportions more clearly. Well, 25 grams is to 30 grams and 40 kg is to 48 kg are the ratios given. Here, 30 and 40 are the middle terms, while 25 and 48 are extreme terms. Also, 25 grams is to 30 grams would be equals to 5/6, that is 5:6. Similarly, 40 kg is to 48 kg would be equals to 5/6, that is 5:6. Well, here both the ratios, that is 25 grams is to 30 grams and 40 kgs is to 48 kgs are equal. Thus, we can say that the ratios 25 gram is to 30 gram and 40 kg is to 48 kg are in proportion. Here, at last, let us learn about unitary method. The method in which first we find the value of one unit and then the value of required number of units is known as unitary method. Here, let us take following example to understand more about unitary method. Well, if the cost of 6 cans of juice is 210 rupees, then the cost of 4 cans would be, well, here we will first find the cost of 1 can. That is, If cost of 6 cans is 210 rupees, then cost of 1 can would be 210 divided by 6, that is 35 rupees. Now we will multiply 4 to the cost of 1 can in order to get the value, or say the cost of 4 cans. Therefore, the cost of 4 cans is equals to 35 into 4, that is equals to 140 rupees. Hence, we say that the cost of 4 cans of juice is 140 rupees. Well, I hope you are clear with the concepts. Thank you.